Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, March 4th. You can see from forexfactory.com here that there is no U.S. news. So very, very minimal, if none, news of interest that are at least scheduled news that's coming out today. So I'm going to talk about it. Moving on. Checking out the daily chart here, you can see we are still in an uptrend. Yeah, it just keeps marching on up. I see no reason for this to stop because, gosh darn, fundamentals don't have anything to do with whether the market goes up or not. So we're not even going to talk about that. We're going to just let that slide. If market's going up, go with it. Okay, I did draw a Fibonacci extension right there, and to give us some idea, because we're at all-time highs, no idea where we're going. We got a 50 fib at 51.77 and a 61.8 fib extension at 52.06. Downside, I would say downside is probably 50.58. So that's sort of the big picture. Yeah, I mean, there's just nothing that you can do with this other than say it's uptrend, and the trend is your friend until the bend at the end. That's just the way it is. Looking at the intraday with the inventory, you can see on Friday we had a big day up and we had positive inventory. So, is what it is. However, I can't not highlight this, even though it is minor, is that you have divergence here with price. So here it's going straight up and here it's going straight down. So there is some late divergence in the end of the day in inventory. Again, I think that all of these things are signaling that the market is toppy. It's toppy, and a lot of people are taking profits, and you can sort of see that that is happening. Now, does that mean the uptrend's over? No. Does it mean it's going to tip over and crash? No. It just means that others, myself included, are getting more cautious with this bull run. Okay? So that's all I can say. Looking at the intraday, we had extremely low volatility overnight. The overnight action was 11 points. That's really, really low. So theoretically, we could expect to see low volatility today. However, I doubt that. Volatility has been very high recently. That being said, it is what it is, okay? So, yeah. Where are we going to go today? Where's support and resistance? You can see here the overnight lows was 51.31. I think that will also be a resistance area. 51.32, 51.20. And if we could maybe even go down to 5100 on the top side, not a lot going on, really minimized or minimal. I think 5150 whole number, and now we're in uncharted territory, of course. So 5165, 5185, your guess is good as mine. Above in all-time highs, no idea. That's the downside of technical analysis. It does not help us when we are at all-time highs. That being said, do the best you can, trade what you see, okay? So remember to comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.